Every once in a while, a property comes along that feels like it holds a world of possibilities. And this gem here in West Virginia is exactly that. This isn't just a house. This is a lifestyle waiting for the right person to step in and make it their own. What you'll find here is a 4-bedroom home, solid and welcoming, with plenty of space for family, friends, or even that guest room you've always dreamed about. Step inside and you can feel the charm of a true country home. Comfortable, full of character, and ready to be loved by its next owners. But here's where it gets exciting. Just beyond the home, you'll find a large additional building that opens up endless opportunities. Imagine converting it into a woodworking shop, a creative studio, maybe even a guest house or Airbnb cabin. Storage, workshop, hobby farm headquarters? You name it, this place can handle it. Now, let's wander outdoors, because the 55-plus acres surrounding this property are nothing short of incredible. Timberland stretches across the hillside, with trails already carved through the woods that take you right up to the mountaintop. If you love hunting, hiking, or just exploring, you'll be in your own personal paradise. Wildlife roams freely, and every walk through these woods is a reminder of how connected you are to the land. And for those who dream of farming, homesteading, or simply raising a few animals, this property is ready. With pasture land available, you can start that small farm you've been envisioning. Goats, horses, chickens, or maybe just a big garden filled with fresh vegetables and wildflowers. Add to that the spring-fed stream and multiple other natural springs on the land, and you've got one of the most valuable resources you could ever want on your property: pure, fresh water. Picture this with me for a second. It's early morning. The sun is just peeking over the ridge. You step out onto the front porch swing, a hot cup of coffee in hand, maybe your dog curled up at your feet. You hear nothing but the soft trickle of the stream, the breeze through the trees, and maybe a bird or two calling out. Just peace. That's West Virginia living. And when evening rolls around, it's just as magical. Imagine grilling out after a day spent hiking your own trails or sitting around a fire pit under the stars. Out here, the skies open up. You'll see constellations you forgot even existed. The truth is, this property is more than a home. It's a canvas for your dreams. Whether you're looking for a hunting retreat, a family farm, a weekend getaway, or a permanent move to a slower, quieter way of life, this land gives you the freedom to create it. They don't make properties like this anymore, with space, water, woods, and a home full of history and character, but here it is, waiting for someone who's ready to call it their own. Almost Heaven, West Virginia, and it could be yours.